Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Jaisha and I am back with another hair tutorial. I am excited for this tutorial because because I actually tried something new with my hair. I mean, you may or may not be able to tell from my results, but I tried a different technique. This is actually a braid out, but I learned a hack. It's a braid out with a little twist. So I found this tutorial when I was scrolling on YouTube and I thought it was genius. The original tutorial is from Minnie Marley. I'll leave a link in the description box so that you can check out the original video if you want to see it. But if you want to see how I got my results from this lovely braid out and you want to learn what the hack is, I'm not going to keep rambling. You can listen to me ramble while you watch the tutorial. So let's go. Hey guys, so of course I'm starting off on freshly washed hair and I'm going in with my leave-in conditioner. This is the Curls Pop-In Pineapple Collection leave-in conditioner, and as I always do, I'm starting with 4 sections and I'm applying my leave-in to each of those sections, and then I work on one section at a time. For each braid, I'm going to apply this Melanin Hair Care Twist Elongating Cream and then also this Curls Be Defined Curl Defining Gel for some hold. After I detangle, I just rake the product into each piece with my hands, and of course I had to do a sniff test. This gel smells so good. It smells like watermelons. But yeah, then you're just going to start braiding as you normally would a regular braid, and just braid that piece about 2/3 of the way down. You're going to braid most of it, and the trick is going to come when you get all the way to the end. So when you get to almost the end, you're going to combine 2 pieces of the braid and then you twist the rest of the hair all the way down. What you'll have is a braid, but the end is a twist. Let me show you that again. You detangle your hair, you put your products in, and you start your braid as you normally would. Just braid, braid, and braid until you get almost till the end. Once you get down to that last little piece, you combine 2 of your pieces from your braid and you turn it into a 2-strand twist at the end. And this is what the braid should look like with the twist on the end, and I'm just going to continue doing this to the rest of my head. Now, the reason that I think this is genius is because we know that braid outs stretch your hair more than twist outs. You can get more length from a braid out, but the most annoying part of a braid out, at least to me, is that it takes more time to unravel a braid than it does a twist. The ends of a braid are thinner and you have to get a tail comb to get the pieces apart, and it just takes forever. With this method, you get the length of a braid out, but you're not wasting as much time taking them apart. I also love the look of this because you're getting that zigzag from the braid, but the ends are more like spiral curls. So this is what my head looks like when I'm all done. These are all of my braids, and I'm just going to go ahead and air dry overnight. Alright, so my hair is fully air dried and I'm just going to start to unravel these braids. And like I mentioned before, it is much easier to unravel when the ends are twisted as opposed to the whole thing being braided. But we are here for the practicality and the good looks. So you still want to take your time unraveling just so that you don't get too much frizz and disturb the natural pattern of the braid. And you especially want to pay close attention to that point where the braid meets the twist so that you have your pieces all together and you don't have to worry about tangling your hair or getting too much frizz. So this is the pattern that we have from the braid. You can see that the ends are a little bit different, but I really love the way that this turned out. Alright y'all, this is my final look. I'm really happy with how this turned out and the time that I saved versus a full braid out. Final steps, throw on a little smell good, hit the neck, hit the wrist, boom boom, and then you can fluff your roots out with a pick if you want. This is totally optional, but I do this to hide the parts on my scalp. If you do this, make sure that you only pick the roots so that you're not disturbing the curl pattern. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!